All right, so on this video, we are going to be introducing, and well, first of all, we're going to start off reviewing the concept of area models and making a square or a rectangle. Now, specifically, the objective of this lesson is to make a square shape and not a rectangle if you're doing it correctly. So, looking at this problem of this polynomial expression, I have one x squared tile, I have two negative x tiles, and I have one positive unit tile. Now, in order to make a square, I'm going to put my unit tile in the corner of my x squared tile first, just like normal. That's going to let me know that I'm not going to put that negative x there and the negative x there. It needs to be a square, so I'm going to rotate this negative x and put it in the side right there. So now I have a nice area square model, and we know that it's going to have the sides of x, and then this is going to be minus 1, and then this is going to be x minus 1 for our factors, because you're doing length times width and length times width for all of our sides there with the sides of the square, just like a normal area title. So we know that this trinomial is going to have a dimensions of x minus 1. All right. That's pretty much the crux of that question. And it's just kind of reminding us in terms of squares and perfect squares, because that's the goal of this lesson, is to talk about perfect squares. We've been dealing with perfect squares for the last few days. All right, so now this problem, I want you to look at it, take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can make a square. I'm going to go ahead and do a separate box where I go over this question and see if you can figure out and answer this question. Is it even possible, and what you would need to do to make it possible to put it in a square shape?